Hey faves, in today's video I'll be sharing my ultimate choco banana bread cake recipe. Yes, I've heard a lot of people saying there's nothing like banana cake, it's just banana bread. But this, my ultimate recipe, is more of a cake than bread. Okay, so add all your dry ingredients to your mixing bowl and then with your spatula mix together to properly combine to incorporate all the ingredients together. So I'll set the dry ingredients aside and I'll prep the wet ingredients. So this is my banana, 4 ripe bananas. Now with my masher, I'm going to mash this till it's very smooth. Now add in peanut butter. Then applesauce. So I'm using applesauce in place of sugar, and then I'll add vanilla essence for flavor, and then eggs. Now after the eggs, I also added oil, but I didn't film the process, so I'll just mix this together to properly combine. Then I'll add the dry ingredient to the wet ingredient. So all the ingredients will be dropped in the discussion box. Now gently fold in with your spatula. Do not over mix so you don't end up having a very dense cake. Now I'm going to add chopped walnuts and then fold in again. Now I'm going to be baking my banana cake bread, or banana bread cake, in this baking dish. So I'll transfer the batter to the baking dish. Then I'll top with some walnuts. You can add more topping of your choice. You can add chocolate, any topping of your choice. So I'll just bake this. I baked for about 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Just bake till you know your cake is ready when your toothpick comes out clean. So this is a close-up of what our banana bread cake looks like. So this is like after 5 hours, and you can see it's shiny, unlike when I first brought it out from the oven. So you see, this is more of a cake than just bread, and that's why I call it my ultimate choco banana bread cake recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe. Bye.